Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the master code on a Defiant electronic lock step by step. So first of all, you need to remove the inside battery cover from the Defiant electronic deadbolt. So when you remove the battery cover, you are going to see the battery compartment filled with batteries. So you need to first of all remove these batteries, and here you will see the set button. So you need to simply use this particular set button and you need to press and hold it until the lock beeps, and when it beeps you just have to release it. After doing this particular step, you need to enter your current master code over here. You need to type it using these buttons. Then you need to simply press this particular lock button, or if in your model you have the enter button available, you need to simply press that. After that, you need to add the default code on many of the Defiant models, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6, unless it was already changed previously. Now what you need to do is you need to simply press 1, then you need to press 0, and then you need to press this lock button. After that, enter your new 6-digit master code and then press this lock button in order to save change. Now several Defiant programming guides use the exact 10 lock sequence for changing the master code. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.